CodeMode provides the most school-friendly online code editor for students to practice coding. Our code editor is built into each coding question and also is available standalone to use. Our editor provides no-frill features, only what a beginner needs. This way, we keep confusion at bay. We support the most popular coding languages, such as Python, Java, C++, C, and Ruby, and we are adding more. Writing code but need more time to finish or want to share with someone? Simply save your code snippet and retrieve it later. It is saved online, so you can open it later on any other computer. Trying to focus on a solution? Go distraction-free and get more space to write code using our distraction-free mode. We know students write code late at night when it is most peaceful. Save your eyes and turn on night mode. You can download and open the code with another editor, such as Visual Studio Code. We give you freedom and control. It is natural to get stuck on a solution and seek help from someone, whether your teacher or a friend. Enable pair coding and code together. In fact, you can invite more to collaborate and watch everyone code. Did we share our experience that coding is more fun when you learn or code together? You can share the code as a teacher or a student with someone. Simply copy the link and send it in a private message. Post it in the group, or send it in an email. It is a great way to showcase a code sample, provide code hints, or write pseudocode to help someone start. Coding platform built from scratch, keeping school students in mind. Learn and earn a lifelong skill with our expert tutors and easy-to-follow courses. Join today and be our coding champion. Visit www.codemode.us or like us on Instagram, CodeMode_US.